Right, good afternoon, guys. I'm just gonna do a full breakdown on Bitcoin, all right, giving my thoughts on the different time frames, starting off on the monthly, okay? So on the monthly, I marked out some key levels here, not that many, just last month's low right here, last month's high right here, and then this key level, okay? So what is this level? It was this monthly high that got swept in the next month. Okay, then we saw a downside. Now, what's important about that level? It kept the market all the way down here. All right, so we deviated above, and then as soon as we got back below, it acted as a resistance for multiple months. Okay, so for about 300 days. Okay, so that's almost a year that we spent under this resistance area. Now we got a clean smash above, okay, and we retested that level to the tick, okay. So in my opinion, if the monthly would close like this, that would actually be really bullish, okay. Why? Well, first of all, we still have some clean unswept highs above here, okay. Secondly, we swept last month's low right into that key pivot, key demand level, okay, into this area, the down move, okay, before the strong breakout, okay. So a retest of that level while sweeping last month's low into this key pivot, a close like this would be really bullish, okay, in my opinion. So let's zoom in now on the weekly. So on the weekly, not that much more than these monthly levels I marked. So let's head straight over to the daily, right? On the daily, I also marked this key high right here, okay? So we got that massive breakout right here, and then this was the first high made before we saw a retrace, okay? Then we got above, deviated it, got back, deviated it, got back below, retest here, okay, sold off a little again, smashed above again, okay. On the lower time frames, you can also clearly see that this level has been pivotal, okay. So resistance here, got back above, retest, okay. So a deviation below here, got back above, upside, and then here, beautiful, we got below, retest, okay, and then massively sold off, okay. So that's key level, okay. So now let me show all of these levels on the lower time frames right here, okay. So we're currently short from up here, invalidation above this red box, above this key level that I just explained, okay. So that explains why. Also this area right here was the consolidation before we broke below these lows, okay. So this consolidation is gonna be clean supply if we retest it, okay. So I marked out this low, as you can see, clean pump in there, and yeah, a rejection, okay. So that's a first reason why I shorted up here, okay. Second reason, marked out this key range, okay. So a key high right here, and then this low as a range low. Why this low and not that low? This low is the first low made after this high, okay. So that's our range low, this is our range high. Mid-range pivotal, as you can see, we bounced here right at that mid-range, also lines up with this key pivot. Boom, this one right here. So as you can see, there's some really nice confluence around that level, okay, like this. So we pumped right into this supply area. We had a clean invalidation above here, okay, for our shorts. And yeah, we pumped into resistance while sweeping our range high. So that was a high probability short in my opinion. So we took it, okay, we're up in some good profit already right now. So what am I watching going forward? Okay, we did sweep one low right here, but yeah, the range low is still unswept, so I'm expecting lower prices, okay. I'm watching the next 4-hour close. If this 4-hour close is above our mid-range, I'm most likely gonna cut my shorts, because then in my opinion it's likely we go for another run on these highs, okay, into higher supply around red. So then I think we see something like this, okay. And then I look to reshort here. If the 4-hour closes below the mid-range and this key pivot, then I think we're heading for at least our range low, into all of these lows, and into this last month's low key level. Okay, so this is last month's low, and the reaction there will be key. Okay, if we sweep all of these lows and get a strong buyback, so a quick wick in here and then a close back above here, okay, then that's a fat long in my opinion, all the way up back towards here, but potentially even much higher, and for new highs towards 14, 15k. Okay, if we don't get a decent bounce and we just smash below here, then yeah, things could get really ugly, and then I'll definitely be holding shorts, or if I close them already, look for new shorts below this last month's low. Okay, and then first target would be all the way down here. Okay, so these lows into demand, weekly demand right here, okay, in here, and then going for all of these lows into here. But yeah, that's way too early to talk about that, because yeah, like I said, on the monthly, things look pretty good in my opinion, but I think we need some downside here before potentially moving higher. Okay, it's the 20th of September at the moment, so we still have 10 days left in the month, so we could just see some downside here and then a strong buyback and close the monthly up here. Okay, so that would be the ideal scenario for bulls. Okay, and also for us, because then we could just close our shorts down here and then look for longs down here. So yeah, let's see what we get, but that's what I'm watching here. So yeah, like I said, watching the next 4-hour close, is if it closes down here, I think we're heading for our key level right here into green. If it closes up here, I'm most likely gonna get out of my shorts and look to re-enter higher. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to hit me up in the chat, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.